Oh, hello, and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings. Here we are at Southampton, Mount Pleasant crossing, and we have a guest.
Me.
It is.
What do I name myself now? Can I have a YouTube channel?
Let's call you James. James.
Yeah, right, call James.
James.
I'm James.
Hello, this is James.
No, I used to be South East Transport videos, but now I'm just James.
So we have a James behind me,
Yes,
and in front of me, we've got some new barriers, haven't we?
Yes.
So
Indeed.
you notice these coming along on your train, and it looks to be new GWEs.
Yeah, quite odd.
It's quite interesting. If we have a look at close up.
Okay.
And we're filming this in 1080p, so it's all good. So we've got the new barriers there. My tripod is a bit rickety. But at the end, like near the barrier box, all the little spokes are falling off, aren't they?
You twist that.
Twist this.
Yeah.
Both are untwisted.
I see.
There's the middle bits with the pegs still attached.
And they're like silent.
They are quite quiet. That's fantastic. And yeah, there you go. And there's a train coming. That was probably to London Waterloo, probably. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it was. But any train can that way does. Well, South Western Railway.
All trains go to London Waterloo.
Pretty much.
We've also got. Hang on, I'm looking at the wrong part of everything. So we've had that go through. Have we had that go through? Did that go through?
No, I think so.
Oh, okay. That's just gone through. That's not gone through. That's it. I don't know. What? Let's just wait for the next train.
Indeed.
That was a train to Waterloo, Weymouth to London Waterloo. We've got one of those as well. Do you know what that is? Oh, okay, we'll find out in a minute. And we've got another one of those.
Yeah.
Very interesting. What train shall come?
450.
450.
I bet to you. 450. He set that off quite early as well.
It is a
15883.
1588883.
1588883. I don't know.
1588883.
1588883.
1588883.
Yeah.
And that was going to Romsey.
There's another one.
We could potentially have two more trains. We've got a Southampton Central to Portsmouth and Southsea train, and a London Waterloo to Weymouth train. So we could have two trains potentially. So that was the Weymouth service. Do we have the Portsmouth and Southsea service coming through now? Well, it looks like we do. So we've got the Portsmouth and Southsea service coming through now. There we go, that's the Portsmouth and Southsea service.
There we go.
Fantastic. Very good. Now, after 6 minutes and 45 seconds, thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next video.